How to archive Google Classroom classes as a student. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can archive Google Classroom classes as a student. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the Google Classroom and then you're going to click on these three horizontal lines over here. Then you're going to click on classes and you'll be redirected to this interface. So what you're going to do is select the class that you wish to archive. If you have multiple classes, you'll be able to see them all over here. So you're going to click on these three dots right next to the class, and then you're going to click on archive over here. So once you do so, you're going to click on archive and wait for it to get archived. And once the class is archived, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top left, and then you're going to click on archived classes, and you'll be able to see all of your archived classes over here. So that is how you can archive Google Classroom classes as a student. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next videos.